Most important current affairs questions of May 2026. Which team won the IPL 2026 title? Answer. Royal Challengers Bangalore, RCB. Where was the IPL 2026 final held? Answer. Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. Which player won the orange cap in IPL 2026? Answer. Vaibhav Suryavanshi, 776 runs. Which player won the purple cap in IPL 2026? Answer. Kagiso Rabada, 29 wickets. Who was the MVP of the season in IPL 2026? Answer. Vaibhav Suryavanshi.
मई 2026 के सबसे महत्वपूर्ण करंट अफेयर्स प्रश्न। किस टीम ने आईपीएल 2026 का खिताब जीता? उत्तर रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बेंगलुरु आरसीबी। आईपीएल 2026 का फाइनल कहाँ हुआ था? उत्तर नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम अहमदाबाद। आईपीएल 2026 में ऑरेंज कैप कौन सा खिलाड़ी जीतेगा? उत्तर वैभव सूर्यवंशी 776 रन। आईपीएल 2026 में पर्पल कैप कौन सा खिलाड़ी जीतेगा? उत्तर कगिसो रबाडा 29 विकेट। आईपीएल 2026 में सीजन का एमवीपी कौन था? उत्तर वैभव सूर्यवंशी।
What was India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2026? Answer. 157th out of 180 countries. Which organization publishes the World Press Freedom Index? Answer. Reporters Without Borders. Which country topped the World Press Freedom Index 2026? Answer. Norway. For how many consecutive years has Norway retained the top position in Press Freedom Index? Answer. 10th consecutive year. Which country ranked last, 180th, in the World Press Freedom Index 2026? Answer. Eritrea. What is the key concern highlighted in the 2026 World Press Freedom Index? Answer. Criminalization of journalism. Which neighboring country ranked better than India in Press Freedom Index 2026? Answer. Nepal, 87, Maldives, 108, Sri Lanka, 134, Bhutan, 150, Bangladesh, 152, Pakistan, 153. How many major agreements were signed during PM Modi's UAE visit? Answer. 7. Which two organizations signed the Strategic Petroleum Reserve Partnership during PM Modi's UAE visit? Answer. Indian Strategic Petroleum Reserves Limited, ISPRL, and Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, ADNOC. What is the capacity of the AI supercomputer cluster announced during India-UAE partnership? Answer. 8 exaflop supercomputer cluster. Which two organizations will collaborate on the 8 exaflop supercomputer cluster under India-UAE AI partnership? Answer. Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC, and G42. How much investment did UAE commit in India during PM Modi's visit? Answer. $5 billion. Where is the proposed ship repair and maritime infrastructure cluster to be developed under India-UAE agreement? Answer. Vadinar, Gujarat. Which Indian journalists won the Pulitzer Prize 2026? Answer. R.K. Anand and Suparna Sharma. In which category did Indian journalists win the Pulitzer Prize 2026? Answer: Illustrated Reporting and Commentary. What was the title of the award-winning Bloomberg Project for Pulitzer 2026? Answer: Trapped. With whom did Indian journalists share the Pulitzer Prize 2026? Answer: Natalie Obiko Pearson. Which university administers the Pulitzer Prize? Answer: Columbia University. Who presented the National Florence Nightingale Awards 2026? Answer: President Draupadi Murmu. Which ministry instituted the National Florence Nightingale Awards? Answer: Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, MOHFW. What is the cash prize component of the Florence Nightingale Award? Answer: 1 lakh rupees. What was the theme of International Nurses Day 2026? Answer: Our nurses, our future. Empowered nurses save lives. On which date is International Nurses Day celebrated every year? Answer: 12th May. Which book won the International Booker Prize 2026? Answer: Taiwan Travelogue. Who wrote Taiwan Travelogue? Answer: Yang Shuangzidai. Who translated Taiwan Travelogue into English? Answer: Lin King. What historic milestone did Taiwan Travelogue achieve at the International Booker Prize? Answer: First Mandarin Chinese translated work to win the International Booker Prize. What is the prize money of the International Booker Prize and how is it shared? Answer: £50,000, equally shared between author and translator. Since which year has the International Booker Prize been given to a single book? Answer: 2016. How many Lok Sabha MPs received Sansad Ratna Awards 2026? Answer: 10 Lok Sabha MPs. Which NGO instituted the Sansad Ratna Award? Answer: Prime Point Foundation, Chennai. In which year was the Sansad Ratna Award instituted? Answer: 2010. Who inspired the Sansad Ratna Award and launched the first ceremony? Answer: Former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Which Rajya Sabha MP from Pune received the Sansad Ratna Award 2026? Answer: Medha Kulkarni. Which parliamentary standing committee chaired by Anurag Thakur received Sansad Ratna Award 2026? Answer: Coal and Mines Committee. Where was the 3rd India Nordic Summit 2026 held? Answer: Oslo, Norway. When was the 3rd India Nordic Summit 2026 held? Answer: 19th May 2026. How many Nordic countries participate in the India Nordic Summit? Answer: 5 Denmark, Finland, Iceland, Norway, and Sweden. What strategic partnership was launched at the 3rd India Nordic Summit? Answer: Green Technology and Innovation Strategic Partnership. By how much has bilateral trade between India and Nordic countries grown in the last decade? Answer: Quadrupled. Investment inflows increased by nearly 200%. Which countries are part of EFTA that signed a trade deal with India? Answer: Iceland, Norway, Switzerland, and Liechtenstein. Who leads the Supreme Court Collegium that recommended 5 new judges? Answer: Chief Justice Surya Kant. By how much was the Supreme Court's sanctioned strength increased by ordinance? Answer: from 34 to 38 judges, who is set to become the second woman directly elevated from the bar to the Supreme Court. Answer: Senior Advocate V. Mohana, who was the first woman directly elevated from the bar to the Supreme Court. Answer: Justice Indu Malhotra. From which city is Senior Advocate V. Mohana? Answer: Coimbatore. Justice Sheel Nagu is the Chief Justice of which High Court? Answer: Punjab and Haryana High Court. What emergency did WHO declare regarding the Ebola outbreak? Answer: Public Health Emergency of International Concern, FEIC. In which two countries did the recent Ebola outbreak occur? Answer: Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, and Uganda. Which strain of Ebola caused the 2026 outbreak? Answer: Bundibugyo virus strain. How many suspected cases and deaths were reported in the Ebola 2026 outbreak? Answer: more than 300 suspected cases and 88 deaths. Who is the WHO Director General who declared the Ebola emergency? Answer: Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Near which river was the Ebola virus first discovered in 1976? Answer: Ebola River, Democratic Republic of Congo. What was the death toll in the deadliest Ebola epidemic, 2014 to 2016? Answer: 11,000 people. Hantavirus is primarily transmitted through which animals? Answer: rodents, rats and mice. What severe condition can hantavirus cause in the lungs? Answer: hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, HPS. Does hantavirus commonly spread from person to person? Answer: no. It does not commonly spread person to person. The Union Cabinet approved increasing Supreme Court judges from 33 to how many, excluding CJI? Answer: 37. What is the cumulative investment approved for 2 new semiconductor projects in Gujarat under ISM? Answer: 3,936 crore rupees. What is the financial outlay of the mission for cotton productivity approved by Union Cabinet? Answer: 5,659.22 crore rupees. What is the target for cotton production by 2031 under Mission for Cotton Productivity? Answer: 498 lakh bales. What is the estimated cost of the 3 railway multi-tracking projects approved by CCA? Answer: approximately 23,437 crore rupees. What is the investment for the ship repair facility approved at Vadinar, Gujarat? Answer: 1,570 crore rupees. Which two organizations will jointly implement the ship repair facility at Vadinar? Answer: Deen Dayal Port Authority and Cochin Shipyard Limited. What is the fair and remunerative price (FRP) of sugarcane for 2026 to 27? Answer: 365 rupee per quintal at 10.25% recovery rate. What is the cost of the Ahmedabad-Dholera semi-high-speed double-line railway project? Answer: 20,667 crore rupees. The Ahmedabad-Dholera rail project will be India's first semi-high-speed rail based on what? Answer: indigenous technology. Who became the first woman Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh High Court? Answer: Justice Lisa Gill. What is the financial outlay of the Andhra Pradesh Mushroom Mission? Answer: 13,000 crore rupees. Who took oath as Chief Minister of Assam for a second consecutive term? Answer: Himanta Biswa Sarma. Which state's cabinet approved the Draft Uniform Civil Code (UCC) bill? Answer: Assam. Which app did Haryana launch to connect workers and employers digitally? Answer: Sharamitra app. Jharkhand achieved what percentage primary dropout rate in 2024 to 25? Answer: 0% primary dropout rate. How many Indian and foreign languages does Bengaluru's Namma 112 AI helpline support? Answer: 10 languages. Which state launched India's first digital grievance redressal system for gig workers? Answer: Karnataka. Which app did Karnataka introduce for AI-based attendance management? Answer: Kartavyakams app. Karnataka became India's first state to introduce which excise taxation system? Answer: Alcohol and Beverage (AIB) based excise taxation system. Who resigned as Karnataka Chief Minister? Answer: Siddaramaiah. Who was chosen to lead the new government in Kerala after UDF victory? Answer: V.D. Sathisen. When did V.D. Sathisen take oath as Kerala Chief Minister? Answer: 18th May 2026. Kerala became India's first state to create which dedicated cabinet-level portfolio? Answer: Artificial Intelligence (AI) portfolio. Which state inaugurated India's first private medical museum? Answer: Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Which state announced India's first dedicated department for senior citizens' welfare? Answer: Kerala. Maharashtra approved the compressed biogas policy 2026 with how much allocation for FY 2026-27? Answer: 500 crore rupees. Which city in Maharashtra is set to introduce India's first low-emission zone, (LEZ)? Answer: Pune, Shivajinagar area. Which decommissioned naval warship will be used for India's first underwater museum near Sindhudurg? Answer: INS Gildar. Which state partnered with Google Cloud India for AI solutions for Singhastha Kumbh 2028? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Which state emerged as top performing under PM Awas Yojana Urban 2.0 in-house completion? Answer: Odisha. Odisha signed a $3.3 billion semiconductor manufacturing MoU with which companies? Answer: Intel and 3D glass solutions. Rajasthan launched its first semiconductor cluster in which city? Answer: Bhiwadi. Which state became India's fifth fully literate state under the Ullas initiative? Answer: Sikkim. India's first operational PM Mitra Park was inaugurated in which city? Answer: Warangal, Telangana. Which state launched India's first women-operated solar power plant? Answer: Telangana. Khammam. Who became the new Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? Answer: C. Joseph Vijay. Joseph Vijay's victory ended how many decades of DMK-IADMK dominance in Tamil Nadu? Answer: nearly 6 decades. Tripura launched the Mission Queen Pineapple worth how much? Answer: 236 crore rupees. West Bengal recorded the highest ever voter turnout of what percentage in assembly elections? Answer: 92.47%. Who became the first BJP Chief Minister of West Bengal? Answer: Suvendu Adhikari, who was sworn in as Chief Minister of Puducherry for a record fifth term. Answer: N. Rangasamy. What is the Annapurna Bhandar scheme announced by West Bengal CM Suvendu Adhikari? Answer: eligible women to receive 3,000 rupee per month through DBT from 1st June 2026. How many new districts were announced in Ladakh? Answer: 5 Nubra, Sham, Changthang, Ziskar, and Dras. Sikkim will implement which marriage act from 1st June 2026? Answer: Anand Marriage Act, 1909. Niti Aayog launched which roadmap to transform India into a $30 trillion economy? Answer: DPI at 2047 roadmap. What is the length of the Ganga Expressway inaugurated by PM Modi in Uttar Pradesh? Answer: 594 kilometers. The Ganga Expressway connects which two cities? Answer: Meerut to Prayagraj. At what cost was the Ganga Expressway built? Answer: 36,230 crore rupees. India conducted a nationwide trial of the Cell Broadcast Alert System on which date? Answer: 2nd May 2026. What is the name of the integrated alert system powering India's Cell Broadcast Alert? Answer: Sachet Integrated Alert System developed by C. India's first multi-lane free-flow tolling system was launched on which highway stretch? Answer: Surat-Bharuch stretch of NH48 at Choraisi Toll Plaza, Gujarat. What is the 4Ts awareness model promoted under the National Framework for Managing Childhood Diabetes? Answer: toilet, thirsty, tired, and thinner. South Coast Railway score zone became operational from which date? Answer: 1st June 2026. What is the headquarters of the South Coast Railway Zone? Answer: Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Which maternal health platform was launched by MoHFW? Answer: Janni, Journey of Antenatal, Natal and Neonatal Integrated Care Platform. The Supreme Court launched which AI-powered chatbot? Answer: Susahayak, what is the cost of the coal gasification scheme approved by the Union Cabinet? Answer: 37,500 crore rupees. Who launched the Lion Species Spotlight program at Shasangir? Answer: Bhupender Yadav. What is the outlay of the Mizoram Ginger Mission launched by the centre? Answer: 189.79 crore rupees. NHI launched Project Saksham in partnership with which foundation? Answer: Vertis Foundation. Tata Electronics partnered with which company for India's first commercial 300mm semiconductor fab? Answer: ASML. Where is Tata Electronics' first commercial 300mm semiconductor fabrication plant being set up? Answer: Dholera, Gujarat. What is the investment in Tata Electronics semiconductor project in Dholera? Answer: 11 billion US dollars. What is the outlay of the Coffees of Nagaland mission launched by Union Minister Scindia? Answer: 175 crore rupees. At what speed will the proposed Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train operate? Answer: 320 kilometers per hour. The Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya launched its third AI-powered holobox featuring which avatar? Answer: Lifelike 3D virtual Mahatma Gandhi avatar. What is the outlay of the Arunachal Kiwi mission? Answer: 167 crore rupees. Score became India's how many railway zone? Answer: 18th Railway Zone. The Supreme Court ruled that safe travel on highways is a fundamental right under which article? Answer: Article 21, Right to Life. Which state became India's first fully paperless judiciary? Answer: Sikkim. How many Gram Panchayats emerged as front-runners in the Panchayat Advancement Index 2.0? Answer: 3,635 Gram Panchayats. Via which two passes will the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra 2026 be conducted? Answer: Lipulekh Pass and Nathu La Pass. Which record did the Andaman and Nicobar Islands create by unfurling an underwater national flag? Answer: Guinness World Record, world's largest underwater national flag, 60 times 40 meters, at Radhangar Beach. How many seats did BJP win in West Bengal Assembly elections 2026? Answer: 206 seats. How many seats did TVK win in Tamil Nadu Assembly elections 2026? Answer: 108 seats. Which district is set to become India's first and only pearl farming cluster? Answer: Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. When was Vande Mataram written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay? Answer: 1875. Completed 150 years. What is the Bhavya scheme launched by DPIT? Answer: 33,660 crore rupees scheme to establish 100 world-class industrial parks across India, 2026 to 27 to 2031-32. What will replace MGNREGA from 1st July 2026? Answer: Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rojgar and Ajivika Mission, Gramin Act, 2025, VBG-RAM-G Act. How many days of wage employment will eligible rural households receive under VBG-RAM-G Act? Answer: 125 days annually. India produced what percentage of global jaggery? Answer: over 70%. India's total fertility rate declined to what level according to Sample Registration System Report 2024? Answer: 1.9, first drop below replacement level, which 14-year-old Indian origin student won the Scripps National Spelling Bee 2026. Answer: Shreya Parekh, from California. How many cheetahs does Project Cheetah have in India now, including cubs born in India? Answer: 53 cheetahs, including 33 cubs born in India. How many of the world's 100 hottest cities were in India during the 2026 extreme heat wave? Answer: 97 out of 100. What does ECLGS 5.0 provide as credit support? Answer: 2.55 lakh rupees crore credit support, including 5,000 crore rupees for the airline sector. PMJJBY, PMSBY and APY completed how many years in May 2026? Answer: 11 years. On 9th May 2026, how many enrollments did PMSBY cross? Answer: 58 crore enrollments. What is the Sarthak PDS scheme approved by the Union Cabinet? Answer: 25,530 crore rupees scheme to modernize India's public distribution system covering 81.35 crore beneficiaries. Which country announced exit from OPEC effective 1st May 2026? Answer: United Arab Emirates, UAE. Finland launched Europe's first fully integrated lithium project near which city? Answer: Kokkola. What is the name of Finland's lithium project? Answer: Keliber project. At what rate did the Federal Reserve keep interest rates on 29 April 2026? Answer: 3.50%, 3.75%, who was confirmed as the new chair of the U.S. Federal Reserve? Answer: Kevin Warsh. By what vote was Kevin Warsh confirmed by the U.S. Senate? Answer: 51 to 45. Who won the no-confidence vote in the Solomon Islands Parliament on 7th May 2026? Answer: Jeremiah Manele lost the no-confidence vote, 26 to 22 votes. The IOC lifted restrictions on which country ahead of Los Angeles 2028 Olympics? Answer: Belarus. Which country was added to the UN's list of parties linked to conflict-related sexual violence? Answer: Israel. Saudi Arabia joined the International Big Cat Alliance as its how many member country? Answer: 26th member country. How many people were reportedly killed in the Liu Shenyu coal mine explosion in China? Answer: at least 90 people. How many presidential terms has Yoweri Museveni served as president of Uganda? Answer: 7th term. With what percentage of votes did Museveni win the January 2026 Uganda presidential election? Answer: 71.65%. What was the value of the agreement signed between Afghanistan's Taliban and Indian company TCRC? Answer: $46 million. The EU included India in the list of countries eligible to export which products? Answer: marine products, seafood exports. What percentage of India's seafood exports go to the EU? Answer: about 19%. India's marine exports reached approximately how much in FY26? Answer: $8.43 billion. Kami Rita Sherpa summited Mount Everest for which record number of times? Answer: 32nd time. Putin confirmed visiting India for which summit in New Delhi in September 2026? Answer: BRICS Summit 2026. Janez Jana returned as Prime Minister of Slovenia for which term? Answer: fourth term. Emmanuel Macron announced exit from politics after completing his term in which year? Answer: 2027. Annalena Baerbock is the president of which international body? Answer: United Nations General Assembly. UNGA. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries proposed acquisition of which company for $11.75 billion? Answer: Organon Co. RBI launched which initiative to strengthen urban cooperative banks? Answer: Mission Saksham. Sahkari Bank Kshamta Nirman. India's record GST collection in April 2026 was how much? Answer: 2.42 lakh rupees crore. What percentage year-on-year growth did GST collections show in April 2026? Answer: 8.7%. UPI completed how many years in 2026? Answer: a decade. Launched 2016, UPI contributes what percentage of India's digital payments? Answer: 85%. What percentage of 2000 rupee notes withdrawn in May 2023 have returned to the banking system? Answer: 98.47%. India allowed how much FDI in the insurance sector under automatic route? Answer: 100% FDI. What is India's net direct tax collection increase in FY26? Answer: 5.12% increase to over 23.40 trillion rupees, who assumed charge as new Deputy Governor of RBI. Answer: Rohit Jain. NSE launched which system for electronic investment in gold? Answer: Electronic Gold Receipts, EGRs. Kumar Mangalam Birla was appointed as non-executive chairman of which company? Answer: Vodafone Idea Limited. 6. SP Global revised India's FY27 GDP growth forecast to what? Answer: 6.6% from 7.1%. SEBI proposed which mechanism for faster launch of alternative investment funds? Answer: Garuda mechanism. Green Channel. AIF rollout upon document acknowledgement. India launched the Bharat Maritime Insurance Pool worth how much? Answer: $1.5 billion. Public sector banks posted what record net profit in FY 2025 to 26? Answer: 1.98 lakh rupees crore. India raised import duty on gold and silver to what percentage? Answer: 15%. RBI cancelled the banking license of which cooperative bank? Answer: Sarvodaya Cooperative Bank. Decoj ensures deposits up to how much per depositor per bank? Answer: 5 lakh rupees. RBI announced what amount of USD-INR by sell swap auction? Answer: $5 billion. RBI transferred a record how much as surplus to the Government of India for FY 26? Answer: 2.87 lakh rupees crore. Who was reappointed as MD and CEO of ICICI Bank? Answer: Sandeep Bakshi. India's WPI inflation surged to what level in April 2026? Answer: 8.3%, highest in nearly 3.5 years. India's CPI retail inflation in April 2026 was what? Answer: 3.48%. Moody's lowered India's GDP growth forecast for 2026 to what? Answer: 6%. RBI projected India's real GDP growth at what for FY 27? Answer: 6.9%. India's IIP growth slowed to what in March 2026? Answer: 4.1%. Uber partnered with which group to build its first data center in India? Answer: Adani Group. Feenbox launched which AI-native lending platform? Answer: Atlas. India signed an MoU with which organization to promote AI-driven healthcare? Answer: Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR. I4C signed an MoU with which organization to tackle cyber fraud and mule accounts? Answer: Reserve Bank of India, RBI. India signed a bilateral WTO accession protocol in Geneva with which country? Answer: Ethiopia. India and Norway elevated ties to which partnership during PM Modi's Oslo visit? Answer: Green Strategic Partnership. India and Cyprus upgraded ties to which level during President Christodoulide's New Delhi visit? Answer: Strategic Partnership. India and Italy elevated ties to which special level? Answer: Special Strategic Partnership. What bilateral trade target did India and Italy set for 2029? Answer: 20 billion euros. Who was appointed as first CEO of Delhi Metro International Limited? Answer: Sanjay Jamuar. Who was appointed as Festival Director for 57th IFFI 2026? Answer: Ashutosh Gowarikar. Who was appointed as Secretary of Ministry of MSME? Answer: Bharat Khera. 1995 batch IS. Who was appointed as new Chairman of Prasar Bharati? Answer: Prasoon Joshi. Who was appointed as new Chairperson of CBFC? Answer: Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Who were appointed as full-time members of Niti Aayog? Answer: R. Balasubramaniam and Jora Mania, who became the first female principal of St. Stephen's College? Answer. Susan Elias, who assumed charge as new CEO of UIDAI. Answer. Saurabh Vijay, 1998 batch IS, who was appointed as India's next Chief of Defence Staff. Answer. N.S. Raja Subramani, who was appointed as India's next Chief of Naval Staff. Answer. Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan, who assumed charge as 48th Vice Chief of the Naval Staff. Answer. Vice Admiral Ajay Kochar, who was appointed as new Chairman of DRDO. Answer. Rajesh Kumar Singh, who was appointed as new Chairman of SEBI, mentioned in static takeaways. Answer. Tuhin Kanta Pandey, Akash Ambani was appointed as Managing Director of which company? Answer. Geo Platforms, who was honored by WWF for developing an AI-powered app to detect invasive plant species in Kerala. Answer. N. Aleem Yusuf, who won the Whitley Award 2026 for protecting the endangered Indian skimmer. Answer. Parveen Sheikh. PM Modi received which honor from Norway during his visit? Answer. Grand Cross of the Royal Norwegian Order of Merit. PM Modi received which agricultural honor from FAO during his Rome visit? Answer. FAO Agricola Medal. PM Modi received Norway's honor as his how many international recognition? Answer. 32nd International Honor, who will receive the Padma Shri for Kanta embroidery art? Answer. Tripti Mukherjee, who was elected as Fellow of the Royal Society, FRS, from India. Answer. Dr. Soumya Swaminathan. Dr. Soumya Swaminathan became which Indian woman to become FRS Fellow? Answer. Second Indian woman after Gagandeep Kang, Major Abhilasha Barak received which UN award? Answer. 2025 UN Military Gender Advocate of the Year Award, during which UN mission did Major Abhilasha Barak serve to earn her award? Answer. UNIFIL, UN Interim Force in Lebanon, President Murmu conferred Padma Awards 2026 on how many personalities in the first ceremony? Answer. 66 distinguished personalities who received the Padma Vibhushan posthumously in 2026. Answer. Dharmendra, legendary actor. Where was the International Big Cat Alliance, IBCA, Summit 2026 scheduled? Answer. New Delhi, June 1st to 2nd, 2026. What is the theme of the IBCA Summit 2026? Answer. Save Big Cats, Save Humanity, Save Ecosystem. The BRICS Foreign Ministers Meeting 2026 was chaired by whom? Answer. S. Jaishankar. Where was the BRICS Agriculture Ministers Meeting 2026 held? Answer. Indore, Madhya Pradesh. What is India-Africa trade currently according to the 4th India-Africa Forum Summit? Answer. Nearly $85 billion. Why was the 4th India-Africa Forum Summit postponed? Answer. Due to the worsening Ebola outbreak in Africa after WHO declared India and Cambodia began which joint military exercise on 4th May 2026? Answer. Sinbax 2. On which anniversary was the Indian Army's Operation Sindoor commemorated? Answer. First anniversary, 7th May 2026. How many terror camps were targeted in Operation Sindoor? Answer. 9 terror camps. Operation Sindoor was launched in response to which terrorist attack? Answer. Pahalgam terror attack of 22nd April 2025. How many terrorists were neutralized in Operation Sindoor? Answer. Over 100 terrorists. What is Tara weapon system tested by DRDO and IAF? Answer. Tactical Advanced Range Augmentation, India's first indigenous glide weapon system. DRDO's Scramjet combustor test in Hyderabad achieved a runtime of how many seconds? Answer. Over 1,200 seconds. What is India's first privately manufactured military aircraft? Answer. Airbus C-295. How many C-295 aircraft will India receive under the 2021 defense deal? Answer. 56 aircraft, 16 from Spain, 40 made in India. What is the AI-powered combat aircraft developed by Flying Wedge Defense? Answer. Kal Bhairava. What does MALE stand for in aircraft terminology? Answer. Medium altitude long endurance. What is the cost of the AMCA project launched in Andhra Pradesh? Answer. 15,803 crore rupees. AMCA stands for what? Answer. Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, who became the first woman officer to earn the CATA Qualified Flying Instructor certification in IAF. Answer. Squadron Leader Sanya. Where was the multinational military exercise Pragati 2026 held? Answer. Umroi Military Station, Meghalaya. How many nations participated in Pragati 2026? Answer. 12 friendly nations. India test-fired which ballistic missile from Chandipur, Odisha on 22nd May 2026? Answer. Agnyay ballistic missile. What is Suryastra launched by Rajnath Singh? Answer. India's first indigenous 300 km universal rocket launching system. What are the two AI-based digital platforms launched by the Indian Army? Answer. Kautilya and Q-Force. Bharat Forge signed agreement to establish India's first private marine gas turbine facility in which city? Answer. Vishakhapatnam. DRDO successfully tested which indigenous missile for UAV-launched precision strikes? Answer. ALPGM V3, UAV-launched precision-guided missile. Which private rocket was transported to Shar for Skyroot Aerospace? Answer. Vikram 1. What payload capacity does Vikram 1 rocket have to low Earth orbit? Answer. 350 kilograms to LEO. Maharashtra's AI policy 2026 aims to attract how much investment? Answer. 10,000 crore rupees. ISRO plans to include which new category in the next Gaganyaan astronaut selection? Answer: Civilian astronauts, STEM experts. Galaxy launched which Earth observation satellite as India's largest privately developed? Answer: Mission Drishti, 190 kilograms satellite. NASA tested a 120 kilowatt plasma engine using which technology? Answer: Magnetoplasmadynamic (MPD) plasma engine. NASA believes the MPD plasma engine could reduce Mars travel time to how many days? Answer: 30 to 60 days, from 9 months, who became the first Indian woman elected Fellow of the Meteoritical Society? Answer: Kuljit Kaur Marhas from Physical Research Laboratory. China launched Shenzhou 23 mission on which date? Answer: 25th May 2026, who became the first astronaut from Hong Kong to travel to space? Answer: Lei Ka-ying, via Shenzhou 23. What technology did GenCASR develop for mapping multiple proteins in biological samples? Answer: Clear, cleavable light erased antibody reporter. Dr. Ronaldo Lashram discovered which ancient galaxy protocluster? Answer: Loktak protocluster. After which lake was the Loktak protocluster named? Answer: Loktak Lake in Manipur. India's Bellatrix Aerospace signed an MoU with which South Korean company? Answer: Telep-IX. Blue Origin's which rocket exploded during a routine engine test? Answer: New Glenn rocket. Sebastian Saw ran an official sub-2-hour marathon in how much time at London Marathon 2026? Answer: 1 hour 59 minutes and 30 seconds, whose previous marathon record did Sebastian Saw break? Answer: Kelvin Kiptum, 2 hours and 35 seconds. How many medals did India win at ISSF Junior World Cup 2026 in Cairo? Answer: 16 medals, 5 gold, 6 silver, 5 bronze. PV Sindhu became chair of which commission in the Badminton World Federation? Answer: Athletes Commission. Who became India's first transgender cricket umpire? Answer: Ritika Shri from Tamil Nadu. Punjab FC retained which football title with a 3-0 win? Answer: AIFF Elite Youth League 2025-26. How many gold medals did India win at Commonwealth Youth and Junior Weightlifting Championships 2026? Answer: 4 gold medals. India defeated which country 3-0 in Thomas Cup 2026 quarterfinals? Answer: Chinese Taipei. India won which medal at Thomas Cup 2026? Answer: Bronze medal. Who became the second youngest grandmaster in history at Sardinia World Chess Festival? Answer: Faustino Oro. At what age did Faustino Oro become grandmaster? Answer: 12 years, 6 months, 26 days. Who holds the record for youngest ever chess grandmaster? Answer: Abhimanyu Mishra. Which Indian archery team won gold at the World Cup Stage 2 in Shanghai? Answer: India's women's recurve team. Deepika Kumari. Ankita Bhakat, Kumkum Mohod, India's first Archery World Cup gold in how many years was this? Answer. Since 2021, first in tilde 4 years. Rahul Dravid became owner of which team in the European T20 Premier League? Answer. Dublin Guardians. India won how many medals at Asian Boxing U15 Championships 2026? Answer. 27 medals including 9 gold. How many sixes did Vaibhav Suryavanshi hit in IPL 2026 to break Chris Gale's record? Answer. 65 sixes, breaking Gale's record of 59, who won the Italian Open 2026 women's title. Answer. Elina Svitolina, Ukraine, who won the Italian Open 2026 men's title. Answer. Jannik Sinner, Italy. Jannik Sinner became only the second male player after who to complete career Golden Masters? Answer. Novak Djokovic, who won the East Bengal FC, won their first ISL title against. Answer. Inter Kashi FC. Cristiano Ronaldo won his first Saudi Pro League title with which club? Answer. Al Nassr. Lionel Messi became the second footballer after who to surpass $1 billion net worth? Answer. Cristiano Ronaldo. Indian sprinter Gurinderveer Singh clocked what time in 100m at Federation Cup 2026? Answer. 10.09 seconds. Who won the Canadian Grand Prix 2026 in Formula 1? Answer. Kimi Antonelli, Mercedes-AMG Petronas. Isha Singh set a world record score of how many points at ISSF World Cup Munich? Answer. 43 points. Women's 25-meter pistol, who launched the book Apnapan, Narendra Modi Sang Mere Anubhav? Answer. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, formerly released by M. Venkaiah Naidu and H.D. Dave Govda, which books authored by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta were released by Amit Shah? Answer. The Bench, the Bar, and the Bizarre, and the Lawful and the Awful, who unveiled a commemorative book on Operation Sindoor? Answer. Rajnath Singh. Which legendary Indian photojournalist passed away at 83? Answer. Raghu Rai. Raghu Rai was mentored by which legendary photographer? Answer. Henry Cartier-Bresson, who pioneered the world's first 24-hour news channel CNN. Answer. Ted Turner, passed away at 87. CNN was launched on which date? Answer. 1st June 1980. Former England cricket captain MJK Smith passed away at what age? Answer. 92. Jennifer Pace, who passed away, was the mother of which tennis legend? Answer. Leander Pace. S. Soma Somsegar established Microsoft's India Development Center in which city? Answer. Hyderabad. In 1998, which Urdu poet passed away at 91 in Bhopal? Answer. Bashir Badr. Dhanendra Kumar, who passed away, was the first chairman of which institution? Answer. Competition Commission of India, CCI, on which date is International Labour Day observed? Answer. 1st May. On which date is Maharashtra Day and Gujarat Foundation Day observed? Answer. 1st May. What is the theme of Fire Safety Week 2026? Answer. Safe schools, safe hospitals, and a fire safety aware society. What is the theme of World Asthma Day 2026? Answer. Access to anti-inflammatory inhalers for everyone with asthma, still an urgent need. On which date is Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti observed? Answer. 7th May, 165th birth anniversary in 2026. What is the theme of World Red Cross Day 2026? Answer. Keeping Humanity Alive. National Technology Day 2026 commemorates which event? Answer. 1998 Pokhran nuclear tests. What is the theme of World Bee Day 2026? Answer. Be together for people and the planet, a partnership that sustains us all. On which date is Anti-Terrorism Day observed in India? Answer. 21st May. In memory of Rajiv Gandhi. What is the theme of the International Day for Biological Diversity 2026? Answer. Acting locally for global impact. Sikkim Statehood Day marks how many years of statehood? Answer. 51 years, integrated in 1975. On which date is International Museum Day observed? Answer. 18th May. What is the theme of World Thalassemia Day 2026? Answer. Hidden No More, Finding the Undiagnosed. Supporting the Unseen. Goa Statehood Day marks how many years of statehood? Answer. 39 years, became India's 25th state in 1987. India released the first satellite-tagged Ganges softshell turtle in which national park? Answer. Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve. Two female cheetahs from which country were released into Kuno National Park? Answer. Botswana, Q340. When was Project Cheetah launched? Ans. 2022. When was Project Cheetah launched? Answer. 2022. What is India's approximate crude oil import dependence? Answer. Nearly 85%. India submitted revised NDCs for 2031 to 2035 targeting what emission reduction? Answer. 47% emission reduction. India's algae tree in Bhopal uses which microorganism to absorb CO? Answer. Microalgae. India leads globally in issuing internationally recognized certificates of compliance with what share? Answer. Nearly 60% of worldwide certificates, 3,556 IRCCs. Where will the next BRICS Tourism Working Group meeting be hosted? Answer. Jaipur. In August 2026, India overtook UK to become Sri Lanka's how many export destination? Answer. Second largest export destination. What is India's rank in CIPRI's military spending in 2025? Answer. Fifth largest military spender, $92.1 billion. India's passport slipped to which position in Henley Passport Index 2026? Answer: 78th position. India has surpassed the US to become Bangladesh's how many trading partner? Answer: second largest trading partner. The Ministry of Ports launched which framework to measure Indian port efficiency? Answer: Logistics Port Performance Index, LPPI. India assumed chairmanship of which IT security body for 2026 to 28? Answer: Common Criteria Development Board, CCDB. India hosted which Kimberley Process meeting in Mumbai in 2026? Answer: Kimberley Process Intersessional Meeting 2026. India assumed chairmanship of which IEA Cooperative Agreement for 2026? Answer: Regional Cooperative Agreement, RCA. Where did Rajnath Singh inaugurate the Indian War Memorial in South Korea? Answer: Injingak Peace Park, South Korea, which is the world's second longest continuous wall as per Kumbhalgarh Fort? Answer: 36 kilometers wall, world's second longest. Who was the IPL 2026 final match player of the match? Answer: Virat Kohli. Who was the super striker of the match in IPL 2026 final? Answer: Venkatesh Iyer. Who won the Green Dot Balls Award in IPL 2026 final? Answer: Mohammad Siraj. Vaibhav Suryavanshi broke whose record for most sixes in an IPL season? Answer: Abhishek Sharma, 42 sixes in 2024, who announced retirement from domestic cricket and IPL in May 2026. Answer: Vijay Shankar. Vijay Shankar played for India in which major tournament in 2019? Answer: ICC Cricket World Cup 2019. Urvil Patel hit a record equaling 13 ball 50 for which IPL team? Answer: Chennai Super Kings. WHO approved the first infant-specific malaria drug on which day? Answer: World Malaria Day 2026. The first infant-specific malaria drug approved by WHO is what formulation? Answer: Artemethyl formulation. Asia's first UNESCO chair on gender inclusion and skill development was launched at which university? Answer: Symbiosis Skills and Professional University. Which country's Prime Minister was elected for a fourth term? Janes Jana. Answer: Slovenia. Myanmar President Min Aung Hlaing visited India from which dates? Answer: 30th May to 3rd June 2026. India and Canada set a bilateral trade target of how much by 2030? Answer: $50 billion. Current bilateral trade between India and Canada stands at what level? Answer: $17 billion. India and Canada are negotiating which trade agreement? Answer: Comprehensive Agreement, CEPA, Economic Partnership. The Quad Foreign Ministers meeting unveiled how many major Indo-Pacific initiatives? Answer: 5 major initiatives. Which country was selected for the pilot project of Quad Sports of the Future Partnership? Answer: Fiji, Kal Bhairav aircraft has a range of how many kilometer? Answer: 3,000 kilometers. Kal Bhairav aircraft was produced in partnership with which company in Portugal? Answer: Sketchpixel LDA. Operation 777 aims to expand Indian defense manufacturing to how many countries? Answer: 77 countries across 7 continents. India's first scramjet combustor test was conducted in which city? Answer: Hyderabad. Pragati stands for what? Answer: Partnership of Regional Armies for Growth and Transformation in the Indian Ocean region. What is the proposed Garuda mechanism timeframe for eligible AIF schemes to launch? Answer: as little as 10 working days versus 30 days currently. AIF commitments have reached how much according to SEBI? Answer: 15.74 lakh rupees crore. BSE launched 4 contracts on which new index? Answer: Focused IT Index. Rolls-Royce plans to co-develop what class of fighter engine for India's AMCA? Answer: 120 kN class next generation fighter engine. India's gems and jewelry exports fell by what percentage in April 2026? Answer: 9.07%. Google and Blackstone launched a $5 billion AI cloud venture focused on which chips? Answer: Tensor Processing Units, TPUs. RBI introduced governance norms limiting directors of UCBs to how many consecutive years? Answer: 10 consecutive years, then 3-year cooling off. MoSBI proposed changing IIP base year from 2011-12 to which year? Answer: 2022 to 23. IBC completed how many years since its introduction? Answer: 10 years. Introduced in 2016. How many IBC cases were admitted by March 2026? Answer: over 8,987 cases.